Today, we're diving headfirst into an epic Minecraft adventure. We'll uncover the secrets of cave exploration and base building, ensuring you have all the tips and tricks to become a true Minecraft master.
Chapter 1: Preparing for the Journey. Alright, adventurers, first things first. Before we embark on our cave exploration journey, let's make sure we're fully prepared. We'll cover crafting essential tools, gathering resources, and even enchanting our gear to ensure we're ready to face any challenge that comes our way.
Chapter 2: Choosing the right biome. Now that we're geared up, let's talk about the importance of choosing the right biome. Caves are scattered all over the Minecraft world, but some biomes offer better odds of finding treasure troves of resources. We'll explore mountainous regions, deserts, and taigas to show you where your cave hunt should begin.
Chapter 3: Surface Clues. Keep your eyes peeled, folks. Caves often leave subtle clues on the surface. We're talking about overhangs, mysterious holes in the ground, and tantalizing cave entrances. Learn to spot these hints, and you'll uncover hidden cave systems like a pro.
Chapter 4: Mountainside Marvels. Mountains hold some of the most thrilling cave systems in Minecraft. We'll scale the heights, exploring the sides and peaks to find those elusive cave entrances. Plus, we'll teach you a trick for discovering hidden caves while standing on top of a mountain. Get ready for breathtaking vistas and awesome cave finds.
Chapter 5: Digging Deep. If all else fails, it's time to dig deep. We'll show you the safest and most efficient way to dig down, ensuring you don't accidentally stumble into lava or a den of hostile mobs. With plenty of torches and a trusty sword in hand, we'll plunge into the depths and unveil the secrets buried beneath the surface.
Chapter 6: Making the cave your home. Once you've found that perfect cave, why not make it your home sweet home? We're talking about crafting your own cave base, complete with storage rooms, farms, and even hidden redstone contraptions.
Chapter 7: Resource Gathering and Mob Management. Caves are a goldmine of resources. We'll explore the depths to gather coal, iron, gold, and maybe even some precious diamonds. But beware, for the caves are also home to hostile mobs like zombies, skeletons, and cave spiders. We'll teach you how to handle these threats and even set up mob farms for XP and rare drops.
Chapter 8: Enchanting and Advancing. Want to take your cave exploration to the next level? Enchanting your gear is the answer. We'll delve into the enchantment mechanics, discuss the best enchantments for cave exploration, and demonstrate how to create powerful, enchanted tools and armor.
Chapter 9: Building Epic Cave Farms. Why limit your cave to just resource gathering? We'll showcase some epic cave farm designs that will help you sustain yourself underground. From mushroom farms to crop farms with artificial lighting, we've got you covered. Make your cave a self-sufficient oasis.
Chapter 10: The Thrill of Discovery. As we wrap up this epic Minecraft adventure, remember that the thrill of discovery is what makes this game truly magical. Embrace the unknown, explore the uncharted, and turn every cave into an epic saga waiting to be written. Hey, adventurers! If you want to keep the Minecraft magic going, check out these awesome videos on our channel. And remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an epic adventure with us. See you in the next video.